And welcome back. Despite the full delegation of the Reggae Boyz squad yet to assemble in Japan, JFF General Secretary Dalton Bint says that training should get going at 1 a.m. Thursday at Jamaica time. According to Bint, 8 European-based players who were denied a flight to Japan because of incorrect COVID-19 tests should arrive later in the day to join the other 10 who arrived from Jamaica.
The players that are here are still upbeat. We'll have a training session this afternoon at about 3 o'clock, and hopefully by then we'll have the other players from Europe here with us, and they should be able to join us in training if they're up to it and if the coach decides that he wants them to be a part of the session. Because every morning you'll have to do a COVID test every morning at 7 o'clock or 7:30. All members of the delegation have to go through the process of doing a COVID test, and the result is known before you are able to go to training.
But TVJ Sports understands that there are still a few players remaining in England, while Tariq McGee is back in Jamaica and Junior Flemings has returned to the USA.
Is that one player did not get their PCR result in time, or his PCR result in time, hence he missed the flight. So an arrangement is being made as we speak to try and get him here. It is difficult, but we're trying. Also, the other player who arrived in England from where he was missed his flight also, and there is an arrangement being made to try and get these two players here. And a junior was en route to Japan here. Unfortunately, he had to abort that because of not being able to move from where he was expected to land. The Japanese said that the arrangement that was in place could no longer be accommodated.